Hey guys, what is up here? Today we're gonna make tortillas. Oh my gosh. Boom! We got flour, butter, oil, baking soda, salt, and water. And here are all the ingredients I have. Then, let's put that aside first. Then, on to the next step. We got a glass bowl. Then, sift 3 cups of flour. And then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add 2 teaspoons of butter. Oh wait, it's stuck. As usual. There you go. However, there's still more. Come on. Now I'll use a spoon to put that there. Right. And then wash your hands to assemble it until it becomes like this. Something like cornmeal. Right there. My man. Oh my gosh. There, let's go. Then we add one cup of water. Little by little. Until everything becomes smooth. But not really that smooth. But let's go. Alright. Now we have the dough form, but first we sprinkle it with flour, then put it on the surface, then dough it well, knead it well, by the way. Yes, slap, pat. Then from a different view, of angle. From that point, in a different view, an angle. Boom. And then knead the dough very well until it's formed like a ball. I'll make final adjustments. And then put it over on a grease bowl. Just like that. Cover it with a plastic wrap. Then let it rest for 10 to 30 minutes. Depends on however you like. 10 or 30. Then uncover the bowl. And remove it. And then remove the dough outside. And then sprinkle again with some flour onto the surface. And then knead the dough for a while until it's smoothed again. Now, cut the dough and equally distribute it to 8 equal parts. I mean really, to 8 equal parts. Then we're gonna roll it out. Each one by one until it goes a circle, just like that. Or it could be this method right here. And then flour the dough and the rolling pin. Start making a disc, then roll it out until it becomes big, quite round. Now this is quite round, but not that perfect. And keep continuing until everything is finished, all those 8 equal parts. Now put your pan on a hot heat, then put your tortilla in, and wait until the bubbles rise. And then shake your pan, try to do a flip. Oh my gosh, that's the last one. On the first try, and then get your pan. Once that's done, then put it on the plate. Showcase the tortilla. For this part, we're gonna make quesadillas. Oh damn, let's make it a filling. Well, you may need a leftover beef or brisket. And then add 1/4 cup of corn. And 3 cloves of garlic. Then we're gonna cut this into beef until shredded. Now heat your pan with vegetable oil. And then spread it around the corners of the pan. And then add your chopped garlic. And then heat it up. Add the shredded beef. Then saute it. Alright. Look at that, skills. Then remove from the heat. Then put that onto the bowl. Put the pan right back to the heat. And wait until it heats up. And then add some corn. Then afterwards saute it. Alright. Look at that again. Then add 1/4 cup of chopped water spinach. And then saute it however you like. Just like that. Look at that, skills. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and garam masala and allspice powder. And then mix it all together. Just like how you used to. And then get the beef you had earlier. And then stir it up all together. Just like how you used to. I'll add some bit of vegetable oil for a while. And then stir it again. From that point we add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. And then stir it up again. Then add 1 cup of water to the pan. You see that smoke and blaze. Another one, little by little. They keep mixing it, just like that. And then we add salt and pepper. Then mix again. Then get the pan. And then we will assemble our own quesadillas. No, my own. Okay. We add the beef. Then add some cheddar cheese. A bit. It's kind of melted. Then add some Swiss cheese. Then mozzarella cheese. And then I'm gonna add some mayonnaise. Well, for me, I'm using Japanese mayonnaise. So yeah. So I'm gonna fold it in. And then flip it, hold on tight. Just roll like a berry. Pat. Then we're gonna put it on the pan. Before that, add some melted butter onto the pan. Put the quesadilla onto the pan for 1.5 minutes or until the side is golden. Put butter on the pan before flipping it. And then flip. And leave it for 1.5 minutes. Once that's done, put it onto the plate. And get it. Whew. Then get yourself a knife. Chop that into 3 equal parts. Quesadillas. And look what we have here. Damn!
Shooter.